Hello there, this is binaryoptions.com, and I would like to discuss here on this educational project under the Binary Options Academy other types of divergences. I mean, if you look for a classical divergence, you can go on the academy and look for the educational part related to divergences, but there are also other types of divergences. I will use this one with the RSI, and on the second part we will give some examples with the Bollinger Band indicator. One it is an oscillator, the other one is a trend indicator, and I would say that you will find out they are extremely useful when trading, and of course when trading binary options as well, whatever you trade. So let's go and take the RSI here, insert indicators. We go under the oscillators and we take the RSI, the relative strength index. We use basically the same values, the 14, the standard interpretation, and it is looking like this. What is a classical divergence? How is a classical divergence looking? A classical divergence is looking like this. Market is forming two different highs. Let's make it with this one in blue. You have a high and then a higher high, while the oscillator is not confirming that. You have a high and then a lower high. This is being called a bearish divergence, and normally we should go and trade put options. So this is classical divergence. Let's say here this is a classical bearish divergence. A classical bearish divergence between the oscillator and price. And the bullish divergence will look in something like, let's try to find out the bullish divergence, not in this one, for example. With the Euro-US dollar breaking higher, you have a move to the downside, like this, while the oscillator is basically not confirming that move, because the oscillator is actually on the right. It's not that aggressive, but nevertheless it is a divergence. Normally here, and this is the daily chart by the way, we should go and trade call options, and this one is being called classical bullish divergence. Are there any other types of divergences that can be used? Yes, they are. They are being called hidden divergences, and I would like to show you how to use them. So let's go and edit the RSI. Right click, we go under the objects list. Not objects, sorry. Right click in here, we go under the indicators list, we take the relative strength index, edit, and we go and at the 50 level. So the difference with this hidden divergence is to use the 50 level, or to use the RSI for divergences with the 50 level, but price not to go and break then the 30. While with the classical divergence, everyone is looking for a divergence in overbought territory or in oversold territory. Now we should look for a hidden divergence in here without breaking the 30 or without breaking the 70. If you want, it should be acting like a continuation pattern. What kind of a divergence, or how it is possible to have this kind of a divergence? Well, you are looking for hidden. Let's go and see what the price is doing and the oscillator is doing. For example, here, oscillator falls, price falls. Oscillator goes and makes a move below the 50 here, and then rises like this. But here, take a look, price goes all the way to the downside, making a new low. So here we have two separate lows, this one and this one, two separate lows, like this. But actually, if you are looking at the oscillator, from here to here, we have a bullish divergence, it is being called. This is being a hidden bullish divergence. In other words, from this moment on, we are interested, so this is a hidden bullish divergence. From this moment on, we are interested into trading call options for this pair, or for whatever the pair would be, even though market punished for the next week the early bulls. But this is a strong sign that the bearish trend is not going to hold anymore. So trading here, I don't know, with 1 month expiration date and so on, as from that very moment we had something like 86 trading days. So 1 month expiration date, end of month expiration date, you name it, in this area is only an area that one should go and trade call options. Thank you for being here. Let's move with the second part and try to add the Bollinger Band to see how to identify divergences with the Bollinger Band, which, by the way, it is a trend indicator. Stay tuned, please.